Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY to day 19 of the 25-day advent calendar from the Brew company. Okay, so it's day 19, December the 19th, and we're going to El Salvador today. So this is an intensity of 3 out of 5 with a medium roast. There are taste notes of raisin, dry plum and cardamom. This is very different flavouring compared to the other stuff. High acidity. Okay, so we've got an elegant coffee infused with notes of raisin, dry plum and cardamom. 4 generations of the Alvarez family ensure sustainable practices, culminating in premium cherries processed at the family-managed El Borbollon mill. So there we go. This is the red bourbon variety. So, very different, not the type of thing I usually like in terms of the fruitiness and the high acidity. But let's give it a go. So we'll get grinding, we'll get pressing, and we'll get tasting. Let's do it. Okay, here we go, day 19, El Salvador. First thing to note, the beans, and then once I've grinded and once I was brewing, you could smell kind of that, almost like a berryness. So it's raisin, dry plum and cardamom. It smelled really strong, like a cherry berry smell to it. So obviously that's not that's in the taste notes, but it was really strong. Some of them, most of them just smell of coffee, like a nice coffee. There's that one and another chocolate one that smelled of chocolate. That really smelled really strong. But with the raisin and dry plum and cardamom in there, I don't know, let's give it a taste, let's find out. It's nice. There's the high acidity, which is quite strong actually. But I'm getting a berry flavour. Maybe more plummy than anything. It's nice though, it is nice. Top 10. I don't think it's getting top 5. Maybe like a 7 or 8. That's all. It's nice. Definitely top 10. It's drinkable. I'll be able to drink all that, I think. The acidity is there, that's quite bitter as well. Maybe out of all those 3, probably the raisins the most, just that thinking about the taste, that raisiny taste. That kind of juicy raisin taste. So it's nice, it's got a specific taste to it, which is good because some of them are kind of just by the by, but that one is really nice, El Salvador. But definitely getting that high acidity in there. Nonetheless, really nice. So yeah, so that's El Salvador, December the 19th, done. If you want to get this coffee or the advent calendar or any of the other coffees, the discounts available below in the description to the Brew Company website where you can get discounts of all the products on there. So use them, discount codes and links if you want to use those. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. We've used obviously this coffee press and the grinder, which I've now put away, but they're available on Amazon. There's links below to those as well. So if you like the look of these have been absolutely sound so far. Really like this still. The coffee press, the Hemberg, that German brand, available on Amazon. So the links are below, as I say. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the El Salvador, about the El Salvador coffee, the coffee calendar, advent calendar, the coffee press, the coffee grinder, or about me, drop it in the comment section. I'll reply to all questions and comments. If you want to follow the remainder of this journey along, 6 more days left on the advent calendar, or for any of our Huson DIY project videos, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.